Hello, everyone. If you're able to see me and hear me, please type one in the chat box. Thank you for confirming. So first and foremost, I would like to acknowledge the fact that you are all here, and I thank you from the bottom of my heart because you could be doing so many other things. And I know time is the most valuable asset, and I will try to give the best value of your time. And this is a 90-minute session, and in today's session, we'll be discussing about our diploma in skincare formulation course, in which we teach to formulate over 50 types of beauty and skincare cosmetic products formulated using natural ingredients. So, today's session is about our diploma course, and I'll be explaining about all the products which we are teaching in the diploma in skincare formulation course. What are the ingredients used in the formulation of the cosmetic products, and also what are the raw materials, how you can source the raw materials for formulation, and what is the investment that is required for starting your own cosmetics business, and what is the profit margin. Every single aspect of starting your own cosmetics business we'll be discussing in today's session. And in between today's session, if you have any questions or doubts, kindly post it in the chat box so that I'll be able to answer your question. And kindly take notes because even one idea can help you a lot when you start your own cosmetics business. Yes, Sadhika, meeting will be recorded. And Sharmila, in our side, the audio is 100%. Kindly increase the audio in your side too. Hello, Sujata Reddy. And Divya, you're most welcome. And so let us start today's session. So Meenakshi, kindly post your question in the chat box so that I'll be able to answer your question. And today's session, we'll be discussing about handmade professional cosmetic products because in the diploma in skincare formulation course offered by the Institute of Cosmetic Science, we teach cosmetic products which are formulated using natural ingredients. It is handmade cosmetic products because handmade cosmetic products are in huge demand these days because now after the influence of social media and after COVID, people have understood why we should avoid chemical based products, why we should use natural cosmetic products. And when we use natural cosmetic products, our skin becomes healthy. And handmade cosmetic products are completely customized and personalized. Our students who have completed the diploma in skincare formulation course, they formulate customized and personalized products that is according to the skin type of the individual. Not everybody will be having the same type of skin, right? I have a sensitive skin, and some might have oily skin type, some might have dry skin type. So we should talk with the customer and we should understand, we should ask for the skin type of the customer, and then the ingredients for the cosmetic products is chosen according to the skin type of the individual. Only then the product will give 100% result while using the products. That is the difference between market-based cosmetic products. For example, if you take a product like Fair and Lovely, it is made in 1000 kg, 2000 kg. It is not made for a particular person. It is made for everyone, and it is completely loaded with chemicals. But handmade cosmetic products, it is made for only one individual, and we use natural ingredient, and we talk with the customer and we communicate everything. So that is the reason handmade cosmetic products are very much demanded these days. That is the difference between handmade and market-based cosmetic products. And there are a lot of benefits when we formulate our own cosmetic products. Definitely, we'll be using natural ingredients, luxury category ingredients, right? We'll not be using any harsh chemicals for our skin that will damage our skin. Definitely, we'll use only the rich ingredients and luxury category ingredients. So our skin will become healthier. More and more we use the product, more and more our skin becomes healthier and nourished. So that is the benefit of formulating our own cosmetic products. So Today's session, as I said, for those of you joined late, today's session is about our diploma in skincare formulation course. And at the end, you'll be getting up to 50% discount to enroll in the diploma in skincare formulation course. So let me introduce myself. My name is Rixie Margaret. I am the trainer for the diploma in skincare formulation and diploma in color cosmetics formulation, advanced diploma in cosmetic science. We have three courses which is conducted in our academy. I am the trainer for all the courses, and I have completed international programs in the field of cosmetic science, and I have more than 10 years experience in this field. Also, I am a central government certified TOT trainer, and I've been conducting online and offline workshops, have trained over 5,000 people, helped a lot of men and women to become a cosmetics formulator and an entrepreneur. And this is our academy. So our academy is located near Bangalore. It is in Hosur, and we offer professional diploma courses. And our academy is also affiliated to National Skill Development Corporation, and our trainers are also central government certified. So one request I would ask to everyone, those who are very much interested in cosmetic science, kindly follow us in the Instagram. We have a follower base of more than 75,000 followers in Instagram. So if you need more information about our academy, you can follow us in Instagram with this is our page. We have 75,600 followers. You can search for Institute of Cosmetic Sciences. You can see the logo. It is trademark registered academy. So I'm sharing our Instagram page link also for more information about the cosmetic science courses, and for more information about our academy. You can search for Institute of Cosmetic Science in Instagram. I think you can see on the screen. This is our, I think. So I'm sharing our page with you. I hope you're able to see that on the screen. So this is our page, and this is our logo, ICS, Institute of Cosmetic Science. Institute of Cosmetic Sciences, S will be there extra. So 75,600 followers we have, and we post regular videos in our Instagram page. So all our students' testimonials, everything, our award certifications, everything, all the informations will be there in the Instagram page. So we have been conducting online diploma courses from 2019 onwards. Before that, we were doing only workshops and offline classes. Now we have completely moved online, and we are conducting only we are focusing only on online classes. So you can follow our page for more updates about our diploma course and other courses which is conducted by the Institute of Cosmetic Science. We have around 2,000 students who have done the course. Like only the skincare formulation course, it is 2,000, but it is a multi-skill academy. So we have around, in all the other courses together, we have so many students who have done the course, and they have got certified from our academy. So it is like you can also become a part of the Institute of Cosmetic Science by following our page also. You get regular updates about it. So I hope everybody got our Instagram page. So these are the certificates of our academy. Our academy is ISO certified, MSME certified, NISD certified. Also, we are a lifetime member of the International Federation of Society of Cosmetic Chemists, so that the certificates which is given by our academy is also internationally valid. And this is our GST certificate, NSDC affiliation, and incorporation certificate. So the main reason why I'm showing you the certificates of our academy is we believe that learning from a proper academy that too, as I said, we are offering online classes alone from 2019. Our academy is operational from 2012 onwards. And we, as I said, we have different types of courses also. Cosmetic science online we are doing from 2019. So we have all the certification, and this is this academy. We have thousands of students who have done the course, hundreds of entrepreneurs who have started their business after doing the course. So we believe that learning from a proper academy and then getting certified as a cosmetics formulator from a professional academy and then starting your own cosmetics business will definitely give you success. Definitely, after you learn properly, formulate cosmetic products, become a certified cosmetics formulator, then you start your business, definitely you'll be successful. If you agree with me, you can type agree in the chat box. So every day we see so many of our students also, they are taking online classes without not much experience. They are randomly doing online classes for very minimum cost. Some of them, they are giving like PDFs alone, that to our class notes, they are circulating just for mere money, and they are doing so many things. But anything like we are doing any professional courses like engineering or any like computer science or any degree programs, we go to an academy, we go to a college, and then we learn, right? Rather than if you just learn online, will you be able to confidently do some business? We don't believe that you can do that. But learning from a proper academy, getting certified, definitely you will be able to confidently start your own cosmetics business. And this opportunity, this webinar, you are going to get a opportunity to enroll in a paid course. It is not a free course. It is going to be a paid course. No college you can learn something very valuable for free, right? Anything that comes for free will not have value. This is a very, very valuable course. And definitely you will be certified as a skincare formulator, because you can see in the certificate, we have all the seals, we have all the registration, and you will be certified as a skincare formulator. Definitely, confidently, you'll be able to start your own cosmetics business. Nishant, Neelavati, Meenakshi, Kirubani, Divya, Shimi, Bhavi. I believe that everybody agree with us, right? Even not only them, everybody agree with us that first learning from a proper academy is the base for anything to do. So why should you formulate your own cosmetic products? When you formulate your own cosmetic products, definitely you will use only safe and natural ingredients, right? We'll not be using any random or harsh chemicals in the products. And we can formulate, we will be customizing according to the skin type of the individual. So those of you who are raising hands, this is a webinar. We do not have raise hand option available. Kindly post your question in the chat box so that I'll be able to answer your question. So let me continue. It will be personalized and customized according to the skin type of the individual. And in this course, you will be learning to formulate cosmetic products from scratch. We do not use any cream base or soap base or shampoo base. As I said, this course is from a professional academy. So everything we teach from scratch. So you can save a lot of money. Investment for you to start your own business will be very, very minimum. And we'll be using safe chemicals also, because these products are professional category products which can be sold in the pharmacy, which can be sold in like we have so many doctors who have done the course. We have so many beauticians who have done the course. They formulate complete facial kit for their beauty parlors. They make beauty use the products for their customers. We have makeup artists who have done the course. We have homemakers, college going students, so many many people, many of them, they use it for professional use only. So that is the reason we use the ingredients accordingly. And the products which we are teaching has a shelf life of 1 to 3 years. And it is also suitable for kids above 8 years. And every ingredient we are going to use in the product formulation is going to be a premium category ingredient. The product itself, what we are teaching is luxury category product. So it has to be sold for a higher price than the market-based product. And as I said, we'll be formulating cosmetic products according to the skin type of the individual. So there are 5 different types of skin, that is oily skin, dry skin, combination skin, normal skin, and sensitive skin. Why asking this question to the individuals before formulating a cosmetic product? Why we are asking what type of skin you have is because if the individual has oily skin type, then we'll use the ingredients which are very lightweight, like rosehip oil, grapeseed oil, apricot kernel oil, jojoba oil, which are all lightweight. And if the customer has dry skin type, then we'll choose ingredients like shea butter, cocoa butter, and sweet almond oil, which is very thick and moisturizing. So that is the reason we have to understand what are the skin types of the individual, and then we formulate a cosmetic products. So in the diploma in skincare formulation, you will be learning about skin also, basics about skin. Only then you will be completely knowledgeable enough to formulate customized and personalized cosmetic products. So the diploma in skincare formulation course, when you join from a regular cost, which we give this course in the regular way, when you join directly, the course fee is usually, that is also offer fee for 9,999. But at the end of today's session, you will be getting up to 50% discount to enroll in the course. This why I'm telling you in the beginning itself is because this webinar is about our diploma in skincare formulation course, and it is a paid course conducted by the Institute of Cosmetic Science. I am a trainer in the Institute of Cosmetic Science. So this course is completely conducted by the Institute of Cosmetic Science. This offer is from the academy itself, and you will be getting a certificate, very, very valid, valuable certificate after end of the course. So you will be getting, so don't miss this great opportunity. Attend till the end of the course so that you'll be getting the valuable offer at the end of the course. So let me explain about all the products which we are going to teach in the Diploma in Skincare Formulation course so that you can confidently enroll in the course. So let me start with face gel. So face gel is a product which provides hydration for the skin, which provides moisturization for the skin. It makes the skin very soft and supple. Once you apply a face gel, it immediately gives a cooling sensation. So it cures the irritated and inflamed skin. It is a very lightweight product. Like this is a red wine face gel. We can also formulate saffron face gel. So this is also sold by many beauticians. They are selling it as gold face gel and used for gold facial also. So likewise, we can formulate complete facial kit also. We have so many doctors also. They infuse medicines in these face gels and they prescribe it for their patients also. It is very lightweight, non-greasy, and it is suitable even for oily skin and acne-prone skin type. So we are teaching 8 types of face gel, that is saffron gel, pomegranate gel, anti-acne gel, red wine gel, green tea gel, cucumber gel, and chamomile gel, aloe vera gel and chamomile gel. So for making a face gel, you can invest 50 to 60 rupees or 70 rupees, depends on what ingredients you are using. And you can sell it up to 10 times. If you're investing 50 rupees, you can sell it up to 500 rupees. Because as I said, these are handmade and customized cosmetic products, right? So it has to be sold for a higher cost. And these are all the brands which have been started by our students. So in today's session, I'll be showing you hundreds of brands which have been started by our students. As I said, so many years, 2019 onwards, we are doing this course, and so many of our students are brand owners. Successfully, they are making cosmetic products and they are selling cosmetic products. So I'll be showing you many brands started by our students in today's session. And next is face cream. So face cream is a product which which is designed to provide hydration and nourishment for the skin. Face creams can be formulated as moisturizers, anti-aging creams, skin whitening creams, anti-acne creams. Different types of face creams can be formulated, and accordingly we choose the ingredients which is rich in vitamins, antioxidants, botanical extract that will nourish the skin. So we are using ingredients like jojoba oil, rose water, sandalwood powder, red wine, saffron. So it is very, very rich. We are teaching 4 types of face cream, that is whitening sandalwood cream, light moisturizing cream, anti-aging red wine cream, brightening saffron cream. And these are all the beautiful face creams which have been formulated by our students. So many brands which have been started by our students. They have packed it, labeled it, and professionally they are selling it in the market. You can invest 50 to 60 rupees for making a face cream. You can sell it up to 10 times the making cost. And next is face scrub. So face scrub is a product that will exfoliate the skin. That is that it will remove the dead cells from the skin. It will remove the tan from the skin. So this is a orange and almond brightening face scrub. You can also formulate chocolate and coffee face scrub, which is very famous these days. So when you apply a face scrub, you give a gentle massage. It will remove the dead cells, tan and dirt, impurities from the skin. It makes the skin very bright, and also it cleans the pores very deeply, so that the acne issues, blackhead, whitehead issues and all will definitely reduce. So we are using ingredients like coconut oil, olive oil, rose powder, activated charcoal, walnut powder, orange peel powder. So it is very, very rich. And we are teaching charcoal scrub, rose scrub, sweet orange scrub, underarm and elbow polishing scrub, coffee and chocolate scrub. And these are all the brands which have been started by our students. So you can invest 60, 50 rupees and you can make the face scrub, sell it up to 10 times the making cost. And next is face pack. So this is a mixed fruits face pack and anti-acne face pack using neem, turmeric, French green clay. So we can formulate different types of face pack. In the face pack, we use an ingredient called as mineral clay. There are different types of mineral clay like French green clay, Russell clay, calamine clay, kaolin clay. Every mineral clay has a different benefits. And why we are using a mineral clay is to draw out the impurities from the skin, to remove the excess oils and toxins from the skin, and to give a deep cleansing effect, to clean the pores very deeply and prevent acne issues, to improve the skin tone and all the overall complexion of the skin. That is the reason we use a mineral clay. Sharmila, you're most welcome. And we are using ingredients like olive oil, almond oil, rose clay, kaolin clay, walnut powder, pink clay, strawberry powder, French green clay, calamine clay. All these rich ingredients have been infused in the face pack. And we are teaching 6 types of face pack, that is spirulina and French green clay face pack, herbal uptan and rice face pack, Dead Sea mud and charcoal face pack, mixed fruits face pack, rose and kaolin clay face pack, anti-acne face pack. And these are all the face pack brands which have been started by our students. Different flavors, fragrance of face wash, different ingredients they have used, and they have formulated beautiful face wash. So investment will be 60 to 70 rupees. You can sell it up to 10 times the making cost. Again, I would like to introduce our diploma course, Diploma in Skincare Formulation course, in which we are teaching 12 modules: gel making course, cream making course, scrub making course, face pack making course, bubble and fizzy bath bomb making course, serum making course, face wash making course, melt and pour soap making course, and lotion making course, lip products making course, cold process soap making course, shampoo making course, shampoo and conditioner making course. 12 modules, 122 lessons will be there. 50 products will be teaching in this course, and you will be a certified cosmetics formulator after you complete this course. So be ready with your credit card. You will be a credit card, debit card, UPI payments, everything we accept. So enroll in the course at the end of today's session. Definitely you can also start your own cosmetics business. You can become become a professional cosmetics formulator, you will get a very valuable certificate from the Institute of Cosmetic Science. Confidently, you will be able to start your own cosmetics business. So for those of you who are going to stay till the end, you're going to get up to 50% discount to enroll in the course. If you missed during this webinar, afterwards, when you want to join the course, you'll have to pay 9,999. That is the regular fee we charge for the course. Yes, Kirubani, I'll be explaining. I'll continue with the syllabus, but in between, I want to let you know that this syllabus which I'm explaining is about our diploma in skincare formulation course. So let me continue with the syllabus. And so the certificate is, this is the certificate with all the seals of our registrations of our academy, our registration number, everything will be there in the academy. So Vijaya, when you join by paying 9,999, you can pay in 2 installments. But after receiving the complete payment only, we'll be giving you the course like access. But when you join during this webinar with 50% discount, we do not have EMI options. So don't miss this opportunity. Definitely, I understand many of you will not be in a position to invest the amount immediately, but you are getting the great discount today. And if you invest this money, definitely you are going to become financially independent. Next time, when you want to do something for yourself, you will have your own money. So you don't have to think about EMI next time when you get an opportunity like this. And so Soumya, I'm sorry, we have hundreds of participants today. Again, I will show you at the end of today's session. Please remind me, I will show you the same thing. And let us continue with the syllabus. Next is face wash. So even though we do not use any other makeup products, definitely everybody will be using a face wash, right? To remove dirt, oil, makeup, and impurities from the skin, to clean the pores very deeply so that it prevents acne issues, and also it controls the oil secretion, and it doesn't dry out the skin much, but rather it provides moisture for the skin. And we are using ingredients like uptan extract, coffee extract, saffron extract, neem and turmeric extract. And we are teaching 5 types of face wash, that is 24 karat gold face wash, skin brightening face wash, and neem face wash, uptan face wash, and coffee and walnut scrubbing face wash. 5 types of face wash we are using, we are teaching in the diploma course. Yes, Sharmila, definitely you can. So these are all the brands. So many of our students are brand owners. So many products which have been done by our students. All these products have been made by our students. So Rudra, it is pre-recorded classes, so there is no timing. For women, timing is a great issue. So that is why there is no class timing. And it is 122 lessons. It is not duration. It is lesson wise. If you complete 2-3 lessons in a day, you can complete the course within months also. So for investment, for making a face wash, you can invest 40 to 50 rupees. You can sell it up to 10 times the making cost. And next is melt and pour soap. So melt and pour soap is basically a transparent soap like this. And this is a red wine soap. If you do not add any red wine or color or anything to it, it will be a clear soap base, right? So when you get the order from the customer, according to the order, you can cut the required amount of soap base, and then you can melt it, add color, fragrance, herbs, and exfoliants. Use the mold what your customer is asking for, design and present it. Immediately you can make this soap. So it is very gentle, it is very moisturizing also. And Shima's raw material suppliers is there inside the course itself. You don't have to worry about that. Raw materials are very cost efficient. You can order the raw materials. Suppliers will send it to your address. Sharmila, you're most welcome. So we are using ingredients like coconut oil, almond oil, saffron extract, red wine, sandalwood powder, licorice powder, goat milk powder, neem and turmeric extract in the formulation of melt and pour soap. We are teaching saffron soap, red wine soap, tan removal soap, goat milk soap, and anti-acne soap. And next is cold process soap. Thank you, Rudra. Thank you, Shimas. So cold process soap is basically a luxury category product because the base of this cold process soap is oils, butters, herbs, and essential oil. You cannot cut this or you cannot melt this. Only this melt and pour soap is customizable. This is a completely luxury category soap. It is very gentle, natural, very much moisturizing because it contains oil-based ingredients, right? So when you use the soap also, this soap, the lather, the foam which we get will be transparent. But when we use this soap, the lather which we get will be rich and creamy because of the oil-based ingredients which we are using in the formulation. And so Vrikshali, sorry, that is not there in the syllabus. And so Mahalakshmi, it is 122 lessons. So if you watch one lesson in a day, then it will take 122 days. If you'll watch two, three lessons in a day, you can complete it earlier also. And we are using ingredients like coconut oil, almond oil, olive oil, shea butter, mango butter, cocoa butter. So it is very, very rich. We are teaching baby bathing bar, shea, cocoa, mango butter luxury soap, goat milk soap, and charcoal soap. So these are all the melt and pour soaps and cold process soap, both of them which are formulated by our students. Beautifully, our students have formulated these soaps, labeled it, and packed it, and they are selling it successfully in the market. They are using so many different colors, right? They are using so many different molds. Beautifully, they have made it. So one melt and pour soap, you can sell it from 75 to 100 rupees. And this one cold process soap, you can make it like 125 grams. You can sell it up to 300 rupees. And so Nishat, it is basically a complete diploma course. We do not have separate classes, so you'll have to join the complete course. So previously we were giving the soap alone for 4,999, gels alone for 4,999. This is a special offer for you where you are going to learn complete diploma course. So you are going to get worth rupees 9,999. You are going to get a discount also. So Mahalakshmi recorded session. Yes, the classes will be pre-recorded session, and text lessons will be there. PDF will be there, and yes, Nivi demo class will be there in the end of the session. Nishat, yes, including moisturizer, everything will be there in the course. So till from the beginning till now, I'm explaining about the products which we are teaching in the diploma course. Next is body lotion. So body lotion is a product that is meant for hydrating and moisturizing the skin. And also it makes the skin very much soft and smooth. It creates a barrier on the skin and it will trap all the moisture inside the skin. So the body lotion which we are teaching includes ingredients which you can never find in a market-based product like aloe vera, apricot kernel oil, macadamia nut oil, grapeseed oil, avocado oil. All the rich ingredients we are using in the formulation of the body lotion. We are teaching three types of body lotion, that is baby soft super absorbent lotion, aloe vera, tea tree, lavender and vitamin E lotion, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, nourishing and moisturizing lotion. And you can invest like 40 to 50 rupees. You can make a body lotion. And Rudra, supplier information for buying the raw materials will be available within the course. So you can order the raw materials. What product you are making? Because in this diploma course, we are teaching 50 types of cosmetic product. When we start our business, we'll not be making all the 50 products, right? We'll be making like gel, cream and scrub. You can invest 500 to 1,000 rupees. You can buy the raw materials for that and you can start your business. And then like according to the order, you can like make more products. And Mahalakshmi, Ayurvedic is completely different. Ayurvedic powders will be available in the Ayurvedic stores. They use those powders and make products. In this course also, the ingredients like gels also, you can infuse the Ayurvedic powders and you can make the gels, creams and lotions and all. So next is bath bombs. So bath bomb is an international product which we are teaching in the course. So basically bath bomb has ingredients which are aromatherapy ingredients like essential oils, fragrance oils, and it also contains Epsom salt, which is very good to soothe the tired muscles like leg pain and also like stress, work stress and everything. It is very, very good. And she must to check the pH of the product also will be explained inside the course itself. And we are using ingredients like almond oil, sea salt, Epsom salt, lavender, kaolin clay. So it is very rich. We are teaching two types of bath bomb: lavender fizzy bath bomb, almond and kaolin bubble bath bomb. And uh, Rudra, since you are asking, okay, you can do that. So next is lipstick, lip balm, lip serum and lip scrub. So lip products are used to hydrate the lips, to prevent more like chapping in the lips, to prevent dryness in the lips and to make the lip very soft and supple. And we are using ingredients like shea butter, coconut oil, vitamin E, which will soothe and repair the damaged lips. So you're most welcome, Rudra. And we are using ingredients like castor oil, almond oil, jojoba oil, olive oil. So it is very, very rich, right? When we use all these natural ingredients, that too so many natural ingredients, it will soothe and it will repair the damaged lips also. So we are teaching lipstick, lip balm, lip scrub, and lip serum. And these are all the lip care products which are formulated by our students. Different lip balms and lip scrubs and lip serums, different flavors and shades of lip balms. And even lipstick looks like a professional lipstick, but it is made using all natural ingredients. And next is shampoo and conditioner. So, shampoo and conditioner, we are using an ingredient called as keratin. And this keratin is naturally found in the hair. So, why we are using it again in the shampoo and conditioner is to provide extra strength for the hair so that it will reduce the split ends and breakage. And also, it makes the hair very frizz free and manageable, and also it improves the elasticity in the hair so that when you use a straightener or curler, the hair will not break. So we are using teaching two types of hair care products: shampoo, conditioner, keratin shampoo, hair conditioner, and detangler. More, we are giving you 3, 4 types of shampoo and conditioner inside the course, which you can use the natural ingredients like hair strengthening, anti-dandruff, and different types of hair care products are available inside the course. So our students are selling shampoo alone for 400, shampoo and conditioner. Both together, our students are selling it for 1,000 onwards. And next is face serum. So face serum is a product which completely nourishes the skin because we are using ingredients like jojoba oil, argan oil, rosehip oil, grapeseed oil, which will provide intense hydration and moisture for the skin. And it is oil-based serum, so it is packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and fatty acids, which will nourish the skin. And we are teaching two types of serum, that is serum for acne-prone skin and 24-karat gold serum. And 24-karat gold serum is very famous among our students. They are selling 15 ml of serum for 500 onwards. So this is about the course. I have explained about 50 types of cosmetic products in today's session, Diploma in Skincare Formulation course. All the 50 types of cosmetic products which comes under the Diploma in Skincare Formulation course. So I know everybody are eagerly waiting for the offer price. So as I said, it is not exactly 50%. I will give you up to 50% discount at the end of today's session to enroll in the course. So what is formulation? Many of you are beginners, right? So formulation means weighing the ingredient, heating it, blending it, and what ingredient we are using, when it has to be added. So this course is a completely beginner friendly course. Everything will be showing you through videos. Video demonstration will be there. So any beginner will be able to watch and understand the formulation. So every way we teach in simple ways to understand, from getting the ingredient till packing the product. And so, Meenakshi, that is a completely different course, color cosmetics course, but that is an advanced level course. Only after you complete this course, you get the option to join the course. And our recognition in the beginning, I have shown you all our registration is mentioned in the certificate also. So I will show again at the end of the session, I'll show again about our recognition. So this academy is more than 10 years old academy. So we have all the registration, NSDC approved. We have all the central government registration, international recognition for the cosmetic science course. Again, I will show you the recognition. So, not only you're going to learn to formulate 50 types of cosmetic products, but also you are going to learn about more than 100 types of cosmetics ingredients, like aloe vera, why we are using it, what is the benefit of it. Like pomegranate, we use it for anti-aging properties, and green tea, we use it for neem, redness and irritation. And we use neem for acne and pimples. Saffron, we use it for brightening the skin, and we use herbal powders for its therapeutic properties, and mineral glaze, we use it for removing the excess oil from the skin. So Meenakshi, if you want to learn color cosmetics also, color cosmetics course is 10,000 rupees. So this course is also 10,000 rupees, but you'll be getting a special offer today, but we don't have a offer for advanced course. So yes, we'll be explaining during the course also. There will be explanation regarding how you can do the marketing. But we have monthly question answer session for our students. So you can join there. We discuss about marketing the products also, and how to do the labeling, packing, everything we discuss in the monthly question answer session. So we see to that every student of us becomes a complete expert in cosmetics formulation and also an entrepreneur. So it is not like when you join the course or when you are doing the course. After completing the course, or if you take a break of 1 month to 1 year also, support will be same. So that I will be explaining in today's session. I'll be explaining. And we'll be using different oils also according to the benefits, like sweet almond oil to improve the complexion of the skin, jojoba oil and coconut oil for its anti-inflammatory properties, olive oil to repair the skin damage. We use a lot of essential oils like tea tree oil to like reduce the acne issues, and geranium oil for aging related issues, chamomile oil to tighten the pores. And we use a lot of special ingredients also, like we use red wine in the soaps and gels, creams. We use it for giving a glow for the skin. Sandalwood powder, we use it in the creams for whitening the skin. Goat milk powder, we use it in the soaps for repairing the skin. And we use beetroot powder in lip scrub and lip care products for reducing the pigmentation in the lips. And I know many of you have already asked this question, from where to get the raw materials. Raw materials suppliers we have in South India and North India. We have given the supplier information in the 5th lesson of the course. So what will be the cost of the raw material? You can buy invest 500 to 1,000. You can buy the raw materials for gels, creams and scrubs. So like first make the product, sell it, reinvest the profit, get more ingredients. Because here we are going to learn 50 products. All the product you need for starting your own cosmetics business, you're going to learn in this course. So according to what you're going to start with, accordingly you can buy the raw materials. What we are spending in a day for Swiggy and Zomato, that is enough for investing and getting the raw materials. And supplier information for buying the packaging supplies also is there inside the course. Many of you have asked this question: what are the certificates required for starting a cosmetics brand? When you are starting your brand, because as I said, our knowledge, we have so many brands, many of our students who have started their brand. So we know that what are the certificates they are having. Many of them home based, business owners, they have started their business, they don't have any certificate, so they are making the products from their kitchen, from their home. So when you want to expand your business in a shop, you're going to sell the products in small scale or medium scale, then you can get this MSME certificate. MSME is for micro, small and medium business. And when you're going to sell in Amazon or Flipkart, you can get the certificate, like GST certificate is required for selling in Amazon. And license is given by state licensing authority. So that is only when you have a big factory setup and everything, and you're going to manufacture in bulk, so you can get a certificate license from the state licensing authority in your state. So few brands from the starting till now, I have shown so many brands which have started by our students. Again, I will be showing you many brands. So kindly check, like I'll be showing some more brands. You can check the brands in Instagram and other pages. Our students are present in Instagram also. So our academy is a central government affiliated academy, and our course also is pre-recorded, because for the convenience of women, and we have regular admission, so we are conducting pre-recorded classes. 122 days lessons will be there. It will be text lessons, it will be video lessons, it will be PDFs. So when you enroll in the course, we'll create an account for you in our e-learning platform. We'll be sending you the login details. When you log in, you can find 122 lessons. Same how it happens in the academy. Lesson by lesson we learn. The same way in the e-learning platform also, lesson by lesson learning will be there. You can learn in your own convenience. And when you join today, you are getting lifetime access for the course. At the end of the course, you'll get a very valuable diploma certificate, and you'll be getting this memento when you apply for the hard copy of the certificate. So we'll be sending it to your address. As a business, beauty and skincare business is a highly profitable business, and it has very less competition, and handmade cosmetic products can be sold for a higher price, and you can start your business from the convenience of your own home. Our students are already earning in lakhs after starting their business. So Sharmila, classes will be in simple English. I will be like taking the classes. So if you can understand today's session, definitely you can understand the classes also. So the diploma in skincare formulation course. So I'm going to quickly explain the syllabus, very quickly explain the syllabus for those of them who have joined late and those of them who are having doubt in the syllabus. After that, everybody of you can enroll in the course. We'll be giving you a special offer. So keep your credit card, debit card, or net banking or UPI account ready for payment. So diploma in skincare formulation course has gel making course, cream making course, scrub making course, face pack making course, bubble and fizzy bath bomb making course, serum making course, face wash making course, melt and pour soap making course, cold process soap making course, and lotion making course, lip products making course, shampoo and conditioner making course. Module 1, introduction module, you will be learning what is cosmetic science and what do we learn in skincare formulation. Skin science, anatomy and physiology, tools and equipments required for making cosmetic products, calculating formulas, supplier information to purchase raw materials. Module 2, you will be learning 8 types of gel, that is healing aloe vera gel, cooling cucumber gel, brightening saffron gel, anti-acne neem gel, antioxidant green tea gel, anti-aging red wine gel, pomegranate skin lightening gel, chamomile under eye gel. Module 3, you will be learning 4 types of creams, that is light moisturizing cream, brightening saffron cream, anti-aging red wine cream, whitening sandalwood cream. Module 4, you will be learning 5 types of scrubs, that is emulsified rose scrub, sweet orange and almond brightening scrub, coffee and chocolate scrub, charcoal scrub, underarm and elbow polishing scrub. Module 5, you'll be learning 6 types of face pack, that is rose and kaolin clay face pack, mixed herbs powder and rice face pack, mixed fruits face pack, Dead Sea mud and charcoal face pack, anti-acne face pack, spirulina and French green clay face pack. Module 6, you'll be learning 5 types of face wash, that is mixed herbs face wash, coffee and walnut scrubbing face wash, 24 karat gold face wash, skin brightening face wash, anti acne face wash. Module 7, you'll be learning 5 types of melt and pour soap, that is saffron soap, tan removal soap, skin polishing soap, anti acne soap, red wine soap. Module 8, you'll be learning 4 types of cold process soap, that is baby bathing bath, Shea Cocoa Mango Butter Luxury Soap, Goat Milk Soap and Charcoal Soap. Module 9, you'll be learning 3 types of lotions, that is Baby Soft Super Absorbent Lotion, Aloe Vera Tea Tree Lavender Vitamin E Lotion, Anti-Inflammatory, Antibacterial, Nourishing and Moisturizing Lotion. Module 10, you'll be learning 2 types of bath bomb, that is Lavender Fizzy Bath Bomb, Almond and Kaolin Bubble Bath Bomb. Module 11, you'll be learning lipstick formulation, lip balm formulation, lip scrub formulation, lip serum formulation. Module 12, you'll be learning keratin shampoo, hair conditioner, and detangler. Module 13, you'll be learning serum for acne prone skin and 24 karat gold serum. Module 14, you get all the answers about cosmetics industry. That is, what are the certificates involved in cosmetics industry, introduction of raw materials used in cosmetics, how you can check the pH of the product, how you can pack the product, how you can label the product, preservatives used in cosmetics, and procedure to apply for the diploma certificate. So, diploma in skincare formulation course, which has 122 lessons, and you'll be learning 12 modules, and you'll be learning about 50 types of cosmetic products. You are going to get a special offer today. Those of you who really want to become a cosmetics formulator, enroll in the course just by paying rupees 4,999. You're getting a special offer, 50% discount you're getting today. So don't miss this opportunity. Take your mobile, scan the QR code, make a payment of rupees 4,999, and you can enroll in the course. And Aishwarya, you'll have to buy the raw materials, and this is an academy, central government affiliated academy. We only take classes. So, raw materials you'll have to buy from the suppliers. Supplier information is there within the course itself. We have suppliers in South India and North India. So, you can buy the raw materials and you can you can make the products. Neelavati, no, it is not there. The syllabus which I have explained already, only the 50 types of products which I have explained will be there inside the course. So I'm sharing the GPay, PhonePe and Paytm number with you. You can also make the payment using the GPay, PhonePe and Paytm number. And those of you who want to make the payment using your credit card, debit card, and net banking, you can use our website to make the payment. So we have very limited seats, so don't miss this opportunity. So Rudra, our academy information we have explained already in the beginning itself. We have explained, and Nishat, I know many of you would be having many money crisis. Many of you would not be earning your own money. Many of you would not be having the money with you. I know, I understand your situation. Many of our students started like that, but it is in your hand if you want your situation to change or not. Are you going to, if every time you want to do something for your life, you want to spend something for your interest, and you don't have money, do you want your situation to change? It is in your hands. So you take a action today, you change your life, learn a course from India's only academy for learning cosmetic science. There is no other academy in India where you can learn cosmetic science. So when you take a decision that you are going to change your life, you are going to become financially independent, you are going to make your own money, that is completely in your hand. If you take that decision today, enroll in the course, start making products, sell, and next time when you get an opportunity like this, you will have your own money and you can do whatever you want in your life. You don't have to get money from others. That option is completely yours. because if you don't take an action today, tomorrow will you have money with you, or next month are you going to have your own money with you? No, right? Only if you take an action, your life will change. So about the marketing guidance, as I said, we have monthly question answer session where we'll be talking about marketing exclusively. And yes, Soumya, cold process is different and melt and pour is different. So in this course, you're going to learn the cold process soap also and melt and pour soap also. Nishat, if you want to learn, you can make the payment of rupees 4,999. So we have got the payments of many students. So I'm sharing the number with you. You have to share the screenshot of your payment along with your name and email address to 9080153814. This is the same number in which you have received all the details about today's session. So, Nishat, you can do one thing. You can make a payment of rupees 1,000. We'll hold your seat for 24 hours. So, we'll book your seat and we'll hold your seat for 24 hours. Within that 24 hours, you can make the balance payment. And so when you make the payment today, you can start the classes today itself. And Preeti, we received your payment. Welcome to Institute of Cosmetic Science. So those of you who have made the payment, kindly share the name, email address, phone number, and screenshot. Only after you share, we'll be able to confirm your payment. Yes, Rudra, we received it. Welcome to Institute of Cosmetic Science. Kindly make the balance payment within 24 hours. So those of you who really want to enroll in the course and really you don't have the money right now, you can make a payment of rupees 1,000 within 24 hours. You can make the balance payment and you'll get the course access after we receive the complete payment. So Ramya, we received your payment. Welcome to Institute of Cosmetic Science. Kindly share the name, email address, phone number, and screenshot. Rudra, sure. So those of you really, many of you said that you want to become a cosmetics formulator. Are you a homemaker and you want to start your own cosmetics business? You want your life to change. You want to become an entrepreneur. Definitely this course is going to be for you. Definitely from an entrepreneur, from an homemaker, you can become a entrepreneur, just like many of our students. Vidya Devi, Vidya Devi, we received your payment. Welcome to Institute of Cosmetic Science. And yes, definitely. For example, if you take this red wine gel, in the place of red wine, if you use coffee extract, you can make a coffee gel. You can use like hibiscus extract, you can make hibiscus gel. So definitely you can make even 1,000 types of products also. Rudra, yes, you can. So yes, Rudra, while sending the screenshot of the payment, kindly share the correct phone number, name, and email address. I've shared the screenshot number already. I'm sending it again. So you can share the screenshot to this number. So Mahalakshmi, you're asking about which mobile number, screenshot number, or you're asking about the payment number. Sharmila, if you want to pay tomorrow, you can make a payment of rupees 1,000. We'll hold your seat for 24 hours and then you can make the payment within 24 hours. So only if you are really interested, if you are really going to make the payment within 24 hours, you can make a payment of rupees 1,000. So Kirubani, kindly share the name, email address, phone number, and screenshot so that we'll be able to confirm your payment. Yes, Kirubani, we received your payment. Welcome to Institute of Cosmetic Science. Kindly share the balance payment within 24 hours. And so those of you, Mahalakshmi, we received your payment. Welcome to Institute of Cosmetic Science. And Farhana, we received your payment. Welcome to Institute of Cosmetic Science. Kindly share the name, email address, phone number, and screenshot so that we'll be able to send a confirmation from our side also. And Nisha, we received your payment. Welcome to Institute of Cosmetic Science. We have very limited seats and offer price, so don't miss this opportunity, everyone. Make the payment, enroll in the course. Definitely your life will also change. You can also become a successful entrepreneur. So don't miss this opportunity. And Mahalakshmi, you have to send the details to this number. So this is a normal WhatsApp number. You can share the name, email address, phone number, and screenshot to this number. So as I said, if you are a homemaker and you want to change your life from an homemaker to a entrepreneur, being a homemaker, we tend to get money from husband, we tend to get money from parents and relative friends. Even sometimes when we want to do something for ourselves, we ask money to others, and they will ask the reason why we need that money, and we are forced to explain them that this is the reason why we need the money, and we feel very uncomfortable, right? Because we don't have our own money. If we have our own money, we don't have to explain others why we need that money. So it is a very even after being a homemaker, doing everything at home, contributing so much for the family, but we don't get any recognition, right? So definitely, if you really want your situation to change, you being at home, taking care of the home and taking care of the kids, while you can also become an entrepreneur, make the products, earn money. So next time you don't have to ask money to others, you don't have to explain to others why you need money, what is your situation, what is your liking, all this you don't need to explain anyone. Rather, you can get whatever they need, you can contribute for your family also, while you can take care of the family also. All this our students have experienced. They joined the course being a homemaker, they joined the course, and then they started making products and they started selling products. As I said, the demand for cosmetic products is very, very high these days. So everybody, because of the influence of social media, so many of them are making like buying natural handmade cosmetic products, because everybody now know why we should avoid chemicals, why we should use natural cosmetic products. And using a cosmetic products itself is going to be very much important, right? We should maintain our skin too. So that awareness is already there. So the demand is there. So definitely when you formulate cosmetic products and when you take a video and you post every day in Instagram and YouTube, definitely you will get orders just like our students. And Nishat Parveen, we received your booking amount. Welcome to Institute of Cosmetic Science. And so, Neelavati, definitely you yourself will be able to make new flavors, new ingredients, and new products. Whenever you have any doubts, anything you need, anything regarding the course, we have a Facebook support group where you can ask your question, and I will be there answering your question. It is not only like during the course, after your course, also, definitely we'll be there to support you. So, Meenakshi, glad to know. So definitely, if you are a homemaker and you want to become an entrepreneur, definitely this course is for you. So if you are a small business owner and you want to improve your business, you want to make introduce new products in your business, definitely by doing this course, you can make products and you can introduce in your business. You can increase the value of your products. So Vidya Devi, the course name is Diploma in Skincare Formulation. Or if you are a beautician or a makeup artist, so you are making only by doing makeup, you are earning only by doing facials and beauty products. You are going to buy all the ingredients, all the products for your facial and everything. You are investing something outside and you are making products. Definitely, you can do this course and you can make your own cosmetic products, complete facial kit, that too fresh handmade facial kit, result oriented natural facial kit you can make by yourself for your beauty parlor, for your business, for your customers. So if you are a homemaker or you are a small business owner, definitely you can also supply for beauticians, even in the beauty parlors, for makeup artists, they can use it for their customers, because this is handmade, right? So definitely it will be very much result oriented. And if you are a doctor, this course is great for you. We have so many students who are doctors and they make result oriented products for their patients rather than giving something from the pharmacy. They make their own personalized and customized products for their patients. So for doctors, this course is very, very useful. And if you are a student also, you can make the products in bulk and you can give for reselling. You can make it in retail and you can create a website. You can sell the products. You can sell through Instagram. You can sell through YouTube. So you can earn extra money and extra income. So just think, if you're going to, as I said, you're going to ask money from others, or you're going to work 9 to 5 and not able to spend time for your kids. So definitely, instead of that, in your free time, you can make all the products and from your home, from your kitchen, and you can earn in lakhs. So Mahalakshmi, you'll have to say, send name, email address, phone number, and screenshot. And yes, after this course, advanced level course is there, color cosmetics formulation course is there, and advanced international products course is there. So, but we are not taking beginners for those courses. Only after you complete this course, you will get the opportunity to join the advanced level course. So let us see some of the student reviews, past students who have completed the course and they have started making cosmetic products. Let us see some reviews from our past students.
Hi, I want to thank NIFDTB for their amazing course, and I had a wonderful time learning from Rexy ma'am. She was amazing and very helpful throughout the entire process. Thank you.
So she was a student from US and she has completed the course and she is making cosmetic products in US. So we have students from all over the world. We have so many of our students from international destination. They had completed the course and they are making cosmetic products in their country. So let us see another review.
Hi, I am Dr. J. Ruba from Tamil Nadu. Now I completed this skin formulation course. It was very wanted in my lifestyle. I was changed my lifestyle also. I would like to starting a small business also. Thank you NIF TTB Academy. Thank you Rexy ma'am.
So from South India and North India, from everywhere we have students. So they have completed the course and they have started their business. So we have received a payment in the name of VN. So I think Neelavati, we received your payment. Welcome to Institute of Cosmetic Science. So we have very limited seats in offer price. If you are still thinking you might miss the offer, you might miss the opportunity, don't miss the opportunity. It is a great opportunity. You are entering into the field of cosmetic science. You are going to make wonderful cosmetic products. You are going to become a certified cosmetics formulator. It is a great opportunity for you. Definitely this course is going to change your life. So don't miss this opportunity. We have very limited seats in offer price. So let us see another review.
Hi everyone. Hi everyone. This is Afsha Khan. I joined the Institute of Cosmetic Science for the Diploma of Skincare in March 2024 with a lot of expectations. And I'm delighted to say that it exceeded them in all ways possible. First of all, the course is very comprehensive. The recorded practical sessions, they add a lot of value to the course, and there is a support desk which always is ready to answer your queries. So I would like to thank the Institute of Cosmetic Science, especially Rexy ma'am, for being there with us throughout the journey and making me a more confident person in the skincare industry. And I would just like to say one thing, that when I make certain product, I did it during my pregnancy phase and I tested it myself and the product's results were amazing. So anybody who is a beginner or anybody who already has an experience in the skincare industry, Do not doubt to join the classes at the Institute of Cosmetic Science. It's definitely gonna help you. Thank you.
So as she said, you can use these products during pregnancy time also. You can use these products for kids above 8 years. It is all result oriented products. It gives excellent results. That is the reason we have so many doctors who have done the course and they are making the products for their patients. So definitely you can make all these beautiful cosmetics products, and you can use it for yourself, for family members. You can like in future also you can make products, and you or like what you are doing every day, you can take a video, keep posting and building your Instagram page, your YouTube channel. Definitely when you have all the videos and photos, everything posted, and when you are confidently formulating cosmetic products ready to launch your business, definitely we will be there to support you and guide you. Confidently you'll be able to start your business. Let us see another review.
Hello, I'm Dr. Bharti Kumar, and it was a really nice experience to have the learnings from your institute. And I'm very sure that all of you might be helping thousands of people to stand up on their own feet and be independent financially. The course is well designed, well explained, and I'm happy that I completed my learnings from your institute. Thanks a lot.
So as I said, we have so many doctors only. We have so many doctors who have done the course, cosmetologists who have done the course, and so many people who are like working for Oriflame and Tupperware, foreign companies. They were promoting other companies' brand. After joining the course, after learning cosmetic science, confidently formulating cosmetic products, they started making cosmetic products and confidently some of them immediately they started their business. Some of them they waited for 6 months, 1 year, then they started the business. Definitely, first you'll have to learn well and then you get the confidence to start your business. So let us see another review.
हेलो एवरीवन, मेरा नाम रजनी बिसेन है एंड NIFDT से जो मैंने कॉस्मेटिक कोर्स किया है मतलब बहुत फ़ायदेमंद हुआ है मेरे लिए। मैं एक हाउसवाइफ हूँ और ये कोर्स करने के बाद मैं अपना खुद का बिजनेस स्टार्ट कर सकती हूँ। इससे मुझे मतलब बहुत हेल्प मिली है। मैं सभी को स्पेशली रेक्सी मैम को थैंक्स बोलना चाहूँगी जिन्होंने मतलब ऑल टाइम हेल्प किया है। Thank you.
So she is also a homemaker and
Hi, this is Ishwari Pritam. So I did a diploma course in cosmetology in your academy, and it is very, very useful to me. I am able to start a small scale business, and customers are regularly asking for face washes, melt and pour soaps. That is going on well. Thank you so much for introducing me to all these.
so both of them, they were homemakers
Hi.
and confidently they have learned the products. They have made all the cosmetic products from their home and now they are entrepreneurs. They have started their business successfully. They are making beautiful cosmetic products. Everything they took one decision, enrolling in the diploma in skincare formulation course, learned the cosmetic formulation. Whenever they had any doubts or question, they posted in the Facebook support group and we helped them solve their queries, any doubts or anything we had solved it. They also joined the monthly question answer session, spoke with me, understood like the basics of marketing, everything we taught them. Then from their own home, they made the cosmetic products. Now they are entrepreneurs. So let us see another review.
Hi, this is Dr. Sindhu. I'm a naturopath from Pudukottai, Tamil Nadu. I was very much interested in skincare since my college days, but I was very clear in attaining my skincare knowledge completely through organic and natural ways. So I went under a great search for a best option, and at last I found our academy, and I was very grateful to Rexy ma'am who taught us in a simple English and very understandable way. Also, she had a clarified knowledge about what she is teach, and I was very, very satisfied that I gained both practical and theoretical knowledge from this diploma course. Thank you.
So Nishat, if you are able to complete 2-3 lessons in a day, you can complete the course within a month also. So it is 122 lessons. It depends how many lessons you're completing in a day. Accordingly, you can complete the course. So let us see another review. So as I said, this course is not only for women. We have so many men who have done the course and they have started their business also. Let us see another review.
Hello, my name is Gautam and I am the student of Diploma in Skincare Formulations. I find the course affordable and a great platform to learn the basics of cosmetic science. I heartily thanks to Institute of Cosmetic Science for helping me to formulate various cosmetic products like gels, shampoos, creams, bath bombs and many more. And they also help me to solve all my doubts while formulating. So thank you again. Thank you to the team.
So will you provide us MSME certificate? Sorry, MSME certificate can only be provided from the government side. Not nobody has the authority to provide MSME certificate. MSME can be provided only from the MSME, that is a government sector. MSME office is there in all the big cities. So from there only they will be providing, but you can apply it online and you can get it. So let us see another review.
A warm welcome to all. I'm Dr. Ajit Kumar, Ayurvedic doctor. Thank you, Institute of Cosmetic Science, for your amazing work. And then I'm very much impressed and I have learned so many things in your course. Thank you, madam. You have taught us so many things. Thank you. Thank you and then good luck.
As I said, we have so many doctors who have done the course and they are making cosmetic products for their patients and directly also they are selling the products. We have so many homemakers, beauticians, makeup artists, home and small business owners. So many of them who have done the course. Let us see one more review, last review.
Hi, I'm Dr. Hina. I'm from Mumbai, Maharashtra. I've enrolled a diploma course in skincare formulations from Rexy ma'am, and she helped me out for throughout the whole session. And I'm quite happy with her. She is, her efforts is really admiring. She helped me out throughout the session and cleared all my doubts. Now I am quite confident to create my own cosmetic, and shortly I'll launch my own brand. I would like to thank Rexy Margaret again.
So as we have seen so many reviews, so everybody said that they are going to launch their own cosmetics brand. Many of them, they said that they have already launched their own cosmetic brand. So this course will definitely give you that confidence for you to start your own cosmetics brand. Definitely, like all of them, you will also be successful. So don't think much. This course, usually all our students, they pay 9,999 and they have enrolled in this course. You are getting 50% discount today. And if you miss this opportunity now, again, you will not get this kind of opportunity. And definitely, I know many of you would not be in the financial situation to invest for this. But if you really want your situation to change, if you really want to become successful, if you really want to improve your life, make your life better, make your life financially independent, then this is a great opportunity for you. So I've shown so many brands in today's session. Some more brands I'm showing you. And yes, Mahalakshmi, the course will be sent to your mail ID. So sorry, Mahalakshmi, we pay for the e-learning platform. Only one email we can use for the course. So many brands some more brands I'm showing you, which have been started by our students. And so Soumya, definitely you, I remember you had asked for the certificates. I'll go to the certificates page. So our ISO certificate, MSME certificate, NISD certificate, also this is international certification from International Federation of Society of Cosmetic Chemists, and GST certificate and NSDC affiliation and our incorporation certificate. So these are the certifications of our academy. Mahalakshmi, we do not take alternative email ID. We have to pay double the charge for that. Only one email ID will be able to register for the course. So kindly give only one email ID. And Nishat, once you are confident enough, once you start making cosmetic products and you are confident enough, so many of our students, they started like 15 days, 20 days after they join the course also. Some of them, they take months together and then they start their like work. So it completely depend on your like confidence level. So Sharmila, kindly make the payment before 10 p.m. because 10 p.m. we'll be sending the login details to everyone. So if you make the payment before 10 p.m., you'll get the login details today itself. So let us see a demo video. After that, I will answer all the questions in the chat box. Understood, Mahalakshmi. You can send another email ID. We'll send the course details to that email ID itself. Today we'll see how to make a anti-acne face mask. For that, first we'll measure the phase A ingredients, that is coconut oil, next we'll take emulsifying wax, so we have phase A ready. Next we'll prepare phase B, that is we'll take DM water, that is next we'll take vegetable glycerin, so we have phase B ready. And now we'll measure phase C. For phase C we'll take neem powder. So here you can substitute the powders which you have. So we have taken all the powders which have antibacterial and antifungal properties in it. For that we are taking pure neem powder. This next we'll take multani mitti powder. Next I'm taking turmeric powder. This is the turmeric which is specifically used for face. So this is not the one which we use for cooking. Should not add more as it will leave a yellow color tint if it is more. So only 1 gram is recommended. And gram powder. So you can use the basin gram powder. and moong dal powder. This is also. Next we are going to take calamine clay. Calamine clay is very good for healing wounds. So we have taken all the powders: neem powder, multani methi, turmeric, gram powder, moong dal powder and calamine clay. So these are the ingredients which we are going to use for the anti-acne face pack. Next, once it reaches 70 degree, we'll transfer the water phase into a bowl. And then add the oil phase to it. Next we'll use a blender to blend this into. After blending, we'll add the powders one by one. We'll add the clay, the multani methi powder, the gram flour, moong dal powder, turmeric powder and neem powder. Now we'll blend it. It has formed into a creamy pack. It will harden further once it cools down. Now it has reached below 40 degree. So we'll add So to this we'll add the preservative, one ml. This doesn't need any artificial colors or essential oils. It has everything needed for a anti-acne pack. So this is a herbal formulation. This will stay wet until it comes in contact with air. So after application, within like 20 minutes, it will get dry, and after that you can remove this pack. This will give instant fairness and remove the acne when applying weekly once. You can see it has formed a nice creamy pack, and the texture, the required texture or required consistency is when you turn the spatula, it should not fall down quickly. So this is the consistency of a pack. So now we'll transfer it to a container. It has a very nice natural fragrance in it. So hence we don't have to add any oil, artificial fragrance for it. This is a scrub cum pack, so while applying you can give a light massage for the scrubbing effect, since it has all the powders which gives a scrubbing effect. After that you can let it dry and then remove after 20 to 25 minutes. So we have our anti-acne pack ready. Thank you for watching the video. So it was a demo video. In the actual video, there will be more detailed explanation. Nishat, yes, you can do all this in your home itself. That is why we are not using any lab-based equipments. We are using only kitchen-based equipments. And yes, Soumya, you can. Measuring things, so Sharmila, we charge only for the course. So measuring things, equipments are all measuring also. Only a small weighing scale for 200, 300, you can get it from Amazon. Most of it we have in our kitchen itself. You don't have to use a beaker. You can use a steel, like stainless steel, normal cooking things only. So you don't have to buy everything initially. Just a small weighing scale would be enough to start with. Induction is something we have in the kitchen itself. So all kitchen based equipments only. So by joining the course, you'll be getting the study materials, the PDF course, PDF, videos and text lessons. So we'll create an account for you in our e-learning platform. We send you the login details. When you log in, 122 lessons will be there. You'll have to learn lesson by lesson. So shelf life of the product, it will be explained inside the course also. Usually it is 1 to 3 years. So you can confidently tell your customers it is 1 to 3 years. How to measure that? It is explained in the course. And yes, Vidya Devi, the tools, equipments, raw materials list, everything is there inside the course itself. And no. If you want to make in bulk also, in this course itself, you can make it in bulk. So here you are going to make products like for 100 grams formulation. The formulation, same thing is given like in percentage also, so that the 100 grams formulation can be converted into 1 kg, 2 kg, 100 kg also you can convert it. That explanation is also there inside the course itself. And from where to buy ingredients, supply information is there inside the course. So Kirubani, yes, we received your payment. Welcome to Institute of Cosmetic Science. So Nishat, you're most welcome. So today, 10 p.m., we'll be closing the offer. We'll be sending the login details for everyone who has made the payment. So still, if you are thinking about enrolling the course, don't miss the opportunity. You can make the payment. After making the payment, kindly share the name, email address, phone number, and screenshot, and you'll get a confirmation from our team. After 10 p.m., if you want to enroll in the course, you can message us. We'll let you know if the offer is available. If it is available, if we have seats available, then you can avail in the same offer fee of 4,999. So if you are a content creator, definitely this course will be very, very helpful for you, because this course, as I said, it has 122 lessons. So lesson by lesson only, you'll be learning all the details of the formulation, ingredients, product formulation, everything. So lesson by lesson, what you are learning, you can take a video, you can build your Instagram page in your YouTube channel, you can post it, and definitely through that only you will be getting a lot of orders. And Nishat, yes, definitely it is confirmed, but make the balance payment within 24 hours. So today, women, you don't have to go and explain why they should use the cosmetic products. Everybody are aware that using a cosmetic products is very important to maintain the skin health in today's world. So just making the products and making videos, that is enough for reaching women. Definitely that will create a change, that itself is enough for you getting you the orders. And when you are making the products and you are making all the videos, you are talking with your customers, everything is done by you. There will be a personal branding also. So people see you regularly and you are the knowledgeable person behind everything. So definitely they will trust you and they will buy the products, right? And nowadays there is a beauty enthusiast, makeup artist in every family. So the customer base is very, very huge. So easily you can sell the cosmetic products, and definitely you will get a lot of orders. And investment also, as I said, 500,000 you can invest, and then you can start your business, then sell the products, reinvest the profit and develop your business. And you don't need any lab equipments, only kitchen based equipments. You can start your business, and you can create awareness about why we should stop using like chemical based products, why we should use natural cosmetic products. And as I said, you can create any number of products, not only these, you can create more number of products by changing the active ingredients. And you can join the monthly question answer session if you have any doubts or question, and you can talk with me also. So for everyone who have enrolled in the course and about to enroll in the course, you will be getting this email: congratulations, welcome to Diploma in Skincare Formulation. In that, there will be a URL, email, and password. You have to click the URL. It will take you to the sign-in page where you have to enter the email, password, click sign in, and it will take you to the course area where you have to click Diploma in Skincare Formulation course, and it will take you inside the course where you can find 122 lessons. So you'll have to learn lesson by lesson. In the last lesson, you have to fill the form. If you need a e-certificate or hard copy, you have to give your correct name, email address, and fill the form. And then within 30 days, you will receive the certificate. So thank you, everyone. Thank you for joining today's session. I hope to see every one of you inside the course. So don't miss this opportunity. Enroll in the course, and you can kindly WhatsApp to this number, and we'll be sending you the login details after payment. So sharp at 10 p.m., we'll be sending you the login details. The name of K, if you have made the payment, kindly share the details. Screenshot to this number along with your name and email address. You'll get the login details by 10 p.m. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Nishat.